This 2015 Fleetwood Bounder 36E is a Class A RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Courvelle's RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Fleetwood is 36 feet 3 inches in length and features sleeps 4, smoke detector, TV antenna, external shower, microwave, air conditioning, refrigerator, skylight, self-contained, carbon monoxide detector, and 85 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half rear bath. This 2015 Fleetwood Bounder 36E is built on a FordF-Series Super Duty chassis and is powered by a Triton engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.